Hello, my besties. You ask and shall receive. Here comes the highly requested DIY for my Christmas ballerinas that I used in my last fireplace decorating video. And since then, I also made some ballerina ornaments for my tree that make great gifts as well. Make sure you watch all the way through the end. Today's DIYs are very cost efficient as we will be using only Dollar Tree items. Main ingredient is a gold poster board, which is just $1, and you can make so many ballerinas out of it. I don't think they can even fit in one tree. First, I am going to show you how to make a standing ballerina. First, open up Google on your computer and look up ballerina silhouettes. Pick a favorite pose and go ahead, print it on a legal size paper. So it's a little bit taller than a regular size paper. If you don't have a printer, I suggest you ask a friend for help or go to the library, okay? If you like to make exact same shapes as I did, I'm going to save mine to my group, My DIY Besties on Facebook. Once you are in my group, go to Albums, right there on the right, and open up an album called Patterns. That's where I'm going to save the ballerina patterns. And that's where all my patterns are from the previous video. This is a treasure chest, all available for free to my besties. Make sure you join my group if you haven't yet. So print your ballerinas on legal size paper, cut them out, and then you are going to glue them to the back of the gold poster board. That way, you're going to be able to trace or just cut around like I'm doing. And you can use the small detail scissors to cut out those detailed areas. I only used a couple glue dots on each, so it was easy to remove when done. Next, you are going to grab a couple dowels from the Dollar Tree or even plain pencils and tape your ballerinas in the back. Oh, no. This is not this type of dancer. More tape or even reinforce with some hot glue, okay? To make the stands, we are going to use these little foam cupcakes. I got these at a Dollar Tree during Valentine's. I think they'll hold up perfectly. They have a little hole in there already. Let's see. Yes, it's very lightweight, so it holds great. Another option would be just to use a floral foam and cover it up. Decorations on my fireplace come with glitter, so I like to add some glitter to my ballerinas. I have this glitter paint from Michael's, but it's not strong enough, so I recommend you paint your ballerina with Mod Podge and then sprinkle with glitter. So that's what I wind up doing anyway. I also painted the cupcakes with a little bit of gold as well. What a mess I made. Next, we are going to need some tulle. And Dollar Tree had the pink tulle during Valentine's. If you are thinking of doing pink Christmas next year, I recommend getting all your supplies, ribbons, Christmas trees, decorations in January, because it's going to be very hard to find when it comes to October, November, December. You know what I mean? They don't sell pink at that time. Next, we are making the tutus for our ballerinas. So just roll up a whole bunch of tulle. When you fold it in half and see if that's a good skirt length, cut it, fold it, and you can also cut like a scalloped edge if you like. Next, you are going to take a piece of wire and you are going to thread it in and out all around the top of the tulle, where it's going to be like the skirt's waist, okay? Okay. Hold both ends of the wire. You can fluff up the tulle, and we are going to attach it on ballerina's waist. Just like that. Simply, you are going to bend the wire on her waist in the back. On one end, spread out the tulle. Make sure it covers the width of the skirt. And bend the wire on the other side as well. So it stays on her waist just like that. And remove any excess, of course. I repeat the same thing on the other ballerina as well. And we are going to reinforce it with some tape in the back, make sure it stays in place. And now we have to fluff up those tutus. You have to lift up every single layer. That way it's gonna get nice and puffy. Oh my goodness, these are turning out even cuter than I imagined. I hope you're gonna go ahead and recreate these because they bring so much charm and elegance to your decor. Also make great gifts for little dancers. I don't think anybody can tell that they're so budget friendly. If you like what you see, go ahead, leave some ballet shoes in the comments below. You know, we're not done. We need a cherry on top. How about some of these little pearl stickers? Maybe around the waist, in their hair, or a little tiara? Unfortunately, the tiara doesn't look too good. I'm gonna put on the pearls. Because of the glitter, we're gonna have to use some hot glue as well. Ready? Here they come. Look how beautifully that tulle from the ballerina corresponds with the tulle underneath my Christmas tree. I love how it all comes together. Also, don't miss out on my Christmas tree decorating video because I also share all my budget-friendly tips and tricks with you there as well. So I'm going to link that video for you in the description box below, okay? Next, I will share with you how I made the ballerina ornaments. They make great Christmas tree decoration or gifts. We will continue using the gold poster board. Just like before, you can print the smaller version of your ballerina silhouettes and cut them out, or you can use a cutting machine. Maybe you or one of your friends has one. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it that way. You simply put your gold poster board on the mat, put it in your machine, select the silhouette you like, and it will do all the work for you. So much faster and more precise than me, especially because I'm not a detail-oriented person. Then you lift it off your mat, and there you go. There's your cutout all done for you. So once you get your shapes cut out, you are going to repeat basically same steps, just in a miniature version. Make your tutu skirt next. Attach it around her waist on both sides. Just be careful because it's smaller. And next, fluff up that tulle. Add a cherry on top, and we are done. I'm going to show you my trick for hanging these. Oh, I think she's gonna look beautiful in a tiara. Let's see. And to hang these, we are going to use the wire ornament hangers. We are going to attach these in the back, bend them, and tape them down. I don't like to attach a string to these because I think they would be too distracting. I'm gonna show you how great they'll work in a second. Let me just do a small one too. Remember, you need less tape for that one because you don't want any tape to be sticking out on the sides. And this is so easy. Simply put the wire hook around the branch and bend it. Wait a minute, is that Coco digging under the tree again? Coco? One more idea just came to mind. Look at my cute ballerina. She's not that little anymore. This is how she looks now. She grew in a beautiful, confident dancer. So proud of her. I thought I'd look through her photos and find one I could use for my tree. I love this one in her point shoes, but it's not the right color. This one is a few years ago, but the color is right, so I decided to make a cutout. I have more copies, so it's not a problem. Then I make a tutu for her, just like you saw me do it before. Attach it on both sides. Add a pearl belt. Attach a hook hanger. And oh my goodness, isn't that the cutest thing ever? Possibilities are endless here, my bestie. I hope I inspired you to make your own. Take care. See you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.